So I believe our field team model is probably one of the unique selling points in terms of how we operate as a business. It is very different to all our competitors. What we have is a supply of micro entrepreneurs who run their own small businesses. They're branded Ground Control. They go through all our training, all the health and safety training that we have, and they use all our IT. And therefore, they're able to leverage the backbone that we provide for them to delivering a great service on site.
Health and safety is really important for ground control because, as you can see, we work on the field most of the time, so your safety and the customer safety is very important. So there's a lot of courses available online, so it helps you. So they send emails and we go on like a portal to do a lot of different courses.
So I got involved in ground control as I started my own company. I went forward from there, and ground control taken me, and they've given me everyday work. Keeping myself and my team happy. With a different day every day, you don't get bored. So it's fantastic for people just like myself who their mind likes to shift from place to place quite often. So it gives you an opportunity to be outside and a lot of freedom.
I was working at quite a few just random jobs, like warehouse jobs. I wasn't really enjoying it as much because I felt like the work I was doing wasn't getting noticed as much. So my friend, he said, come work with him. And I just took the chance, took the risk, and since then I've never looked back.
I like the freedom, I like the consistency of work, I like the structure. Even the directors will happily pick the phone up to you, and that's what I really like. It almost comes across as like quite a family-run business.
I've worked for Ground Control for 7 years. We never stop, all year round. Every day is different. Challenges, happy customers, and great support from Ground Control as well.
At the end of the day, we want to be recognised as being the best. It is something that, as a business, we all rally around. One of the things that we brought in probably about 12, 14 years ago was what we called surprise and delight. Whereas any time a client wrote in to us to say how amazing a team's been or done something really incredible or anything like that, then the team leader to share with his team would get another £200 and they'd get entered for the prize draw for the end of the year for a £5,000 prize for doing that. I'm most proud of the team that we've built. I have an enormous amount of emotional loyalty to everyone here, and I see that loyalty reciprocated throughout other people in the business. We have a real desire to win, so there's a real drive to deliver for our clients, to make sure that we have happy clients. We've got some big goals in terms of being net zero very shortly. We're putting a substantial amount of our profits into renewable energy, tree planting, and making sure that we demonstrate leadership to other businesses, both through our supply chain, in terms of making sure our suppliers fulfill what we want them to do on sustainability, but we're also hoping to amplify that with our customers and making it easy for our customers to go to net zero and achieving their sustainability goals by choosing us as well.
Ground Control, we're passionate about the environment. We've invested in a fleet of electric vehicles. We are looking to move over to battery-powered equipment for all our small tools. We have a new business plan that maps our future for the next 5 years up till 2025. Within that business plan, we really focus on the environmental side of our business, and that's where we want to achieve a real difference in the environment. That would make everybody at Ground Control proud.
We made a decision to launch the Evergreen Fund to dedicate 5% of profits every year for 5 years to fuel sustainable ventures. We're backing other entrepreneurs that are developing technologies to reduce greenhouse gases, to sequester carbon, to build more efficiently, to fuel the use and the rise of electric vehicles. We wanted to help entrepreneurs that are dedicated to sustainability grow their businesses. And over the 5 years, we fully anticipate to make almost £5 million of direct investments in other businesses. One aspect of this is the evergreen investments, the direct investments into businesses, and the other aspect is 100,000 pounds a year for tree planting. And that's for native hardwood tree planting for protected areas in the future. And those projects are so exciting because we get to not only catalyze a project, but to really amplify impact through working with a bunch of other stakeholders.